keda updating gu ngo amedo timero ko ngo ametia timere chawani kede ngo amedo katimere yonge na machela meta chakre ko mai herwa charo party me chapa ching ameta mi wenge ne wano kero candidates wa levels do it jahare parish the word kede na he parliament ame petty parish mara meti Lira district sub county mara Lira district ame wan to kero achung waya ywadang yom nyo yadang yom mamiyo wak ngeyo ne Lira district nge mi wunge ni ochung wa dushu tiedo ngamo choyo ko polero wa level la ping tunu kede na ha e district uchoyo gino ko kede electoral commission adungo tia tera me donyo e PM pimako pidonyo offices apo pata me gino choyo ye ami yu kai malo achiel dong ai wiye ma giki ni one o mio flag na UPC ching aduong William Onya metal Lira district achalo won kom Elsia Beach adado choyo ko tida ko ka chako bebe Ameria kinelo wak me kwa yukwi ka nino mero romo wando dong ka karache kede choyo chungwa level me member me parliament ame dado nana copy choyo members me parliament kede electoral commission tia timero ko ni de Peru ario kede ni de Peru adek me do ma pare ame binu timere yugur kana me jo kana ni dushuda choyo ye lo ber ka chekere roadmap electoral commission ni de Peru ario kede ni de Peru adek ber ni na me jo choyo kede members me parliament the one to karache kede candidates adek ka chalo Lira district ame wana to ero gemo choye kede electoral commission eka yunge gini choye otedon ko gini program me electoral commission na katoka chekere megin ni wori yakina jo kwa yukwir Number chel one ticket Honorable Jonathan Odur ame ubedo incumbent nyo a member of parliament metia tichi Rute County South chawane dada honyuru mira mere medok ko mere me representing loak me Rute South parliament me aparu ya ario Honorable Jonathan achoyo ko en do Peru ario medu ma pare ario Peru beach yonge ni choye monwa berichi adek kaero choye en biru ya ogur tabino takara na kano telo ni Adiaha Primary School. Adiaha Primary School ti ya Gali sub county. Kana men binu lokal chekre luak kapol ame bero nywali me rude tupeng kunasha. Dung ni beo I press briefing anatia me yuni ando atia chwalo kop bot won kom me Rute County South man Alan Ugole me teach kal chekre wigi kome me sub county sa pata me ti Rute County South merwe yulwak we jo warwate kal chekre Honorable Jonathan Odur ikabeda ma otelo ni Gali Primary School no Adiaha Primary School man bino time cha waboro me dishen len bino lok kal chekre jo kunasha eka chungwa kene ame dado ka choye inendo Peru adek level me parliament bedo Honorable Charles Opio Gira Honorable Charles Opio Gira bedo achunga mama bendera me UPC pichungi luak me Rute County North parliament ma paru yario Charles binu choye nende Peru adek chawa ngwen me Odiku eka gin binu choye karachel gin kachikre Honorable Florence Ongina Dupa amera obedo dana chela mama flag me chungi luak nyumon me Lira district parliament ma paru yario kage no tie hogini choye gino binu bedo kachikre gina ma hotel ni procession nyo road drive ame gino binu beo ya duol me Rute County North kunu mor luak bol queer angeo ni gino binu bedo kede stop overs mogo areas mogo trading centers kache kede town council miragi tie meturu na haramo kana me bol queer kede nang tie so ni be copy atido arweyo wigi kome wa ameti Rute County North kun ngata metelo wigi obedo Joel Aleli ame obedo won come Rute North constituency UPC meti karache kede wigi kome ukene dushu ameti sub county sa pata meti Rute North merwe yulwak wa beda me bin me winyo ni lok karache kede members wa me party members me UPC to ping Dushimalira district. Ameta mi winge ni wano tia teka chalo party ginora metia yilwa teka petie. Wano tiu kor ka chawa me bolukwi. Ka chawa binu ramo wano binu nyutu direction amiro woni lobe. Jo Apollo beru penya wor macha ni karamani chane ko pecho ye party president wa Berningo cha ye party president wa Berningo. Alamet ni akob ni kop mecho ye party president poti nyim court. Ena me okata wor macha beru preliminary. Ato wano tiu koro ni court ni odonyo ka chikre ngola me moho kami cho Honorable Jimmy James Michael Akena me beru achung the presidential election na metia binu ni onyope. Ento kare bedda man no. I want to go media court here delaying get one ngoni chao kene it is deliberate onyope. Wano tia tayara chalo party me UPC me wora nyim ke metero jo wa nyim. Remenu to jo wa direction amiro gino lobi. Ametami a very strong warning to our party leaders Metili district. Party leaders were T level Dushu from village Wanalwoni branch. Party leaders who can parish. Party leaders jo kana poll miro me yai I party more me UPC ni party kana me crossing da party kana berda gina me wan pora mo gango eto ka yini bera tela me party chik miro ni yin ko chak resign ko position ni ame onu iti ye chon e ka itengo itedo word kan ni to worry wan pora mo gango ngato me ya from one party to the other eto pay ya ite word ka chik the position na party more ni nguri ite ko bi word la rekere da ko party kana. First thing, you hand over, ite word la hara chalo yin, pe chalo party. That is a very strong warning. I'm not me both party leaders. Wa eka me ario, anna chala tell me party district. Pe abinu ye menu dana me obera tell me party level or can tia ya me wo chwako dana me pe ke de bendera chia. Kana nui unity chwako dana me pe ke de bendera chia ando ater ni yine da hakura party. One of you to get a chick me party komi. I count on you are there. Me one of stripping. You get off leadership position and a unity kede. I unit a word to Akodanacha as an individual. Let to pay a chalo party. One of you gina me anatamia me yoko kana le. Eka me a gikimere. Tigina metia tiye. Me one of ngewa chalo party. Ni utela mogo me party sukene. Pimitu nungo yueka. Pimitu nungo ni jonge ni gino tikere chwak. Uya utawelo gini t-shirts arema. Utaprinti ye logo me UPC. Utiu guaho t-shirts amekaro mi arioko. Mekor ni no me nomination eka utaya utapoki members gime NRM. Nyo me pati ukene. Eka utadoro jone nyim jo me kobuni. Jono la hera ya UPC udokwene pati ukene. Ana mitami luakwa Melira district ne ko ni mano bedo deliberate action ame otia timo me tarnishing ning party wa me chapa ching wan na ko ni peora mo gango ngatoro ya from one party e wori no kene ento you rather teach karchekere kop ame ya dogi me convincing jo me kwanyo jo from one party teri ando kene ento peme teach propaganda me ya will t-shirt printing aita ya upoke jo ko nika bedo mono jo ya ko UPC do motiu crossing do modoka na man mano pe bino konyo ngato kala chiel un bino neno uni ya duogi me kwi enga yuni UPC nyo chapa ching puti karche kede gufa duong ilao kan puti kede gufa duong Ilira district na wana chala tayama me party utishu ngatek me koro ka directing jo wa yu amir gi lobby finally wano bedo kede yara me presidential Chawani UPC put pay karche kede candidate amo nominating. One put you gano ni oramo nominating nyopo oramo nominating. Eto ando ametako bonyo ali Melira district ni wana chalo tayala me party ubinu nyutu direction me aloba. Bedni ucho party president wa Jimmy James Michael Akena Obote me running for presidency unyope ucho. One binu do chen at the right time take you to the right direction. Tieni joabo lukwi lao kan one queer wa pe abalale. Joabo lukwi Ilira district. Dan joabo li candidate the president queer. Donc which candidate joabo lukwi shall be announced. at the right time. So anata mnia pu yo beda chung gi tek chapa ching tieme tiu chwin ginara ya yengo wa wan pe wan obedo kan o tiu ti tek o be o nu o tela level apo pat American candidate wa no petia chung e bedo president. So whether yo ye ni Jimmy Chung onyo kwer ni pe chung wan ong'eyo ng'age ame petia ye ni Jimmy Chung. So gin jo ame pe otiu ye ni Jimmy Chung ni gin obino chulo pire. I can say this without fear of contradiction. Me, those who are responsible for blocking Jimmy James Michael Akena Bore from running as the flag bearer for UPC in the presidential election shall pay for this at the right time. What you want to try? Majala Chow, Moral Wagmalia district Dushu, Legu Bear, Unibedu Nachu Tech, Kaka Tuno, Wanatuno Boru, Ekata Lokedu, Unquaqui, for you want to take.
Okay, briefly, una chalo tala para UPC, neno electoral commission category guidelines, then kiradang go quick, kita nutu category maloba. Kirango ame uni neno ni chung wapo pat, ulogo kare check do some mita work pedok, unudo in a mix of security issues.
We are not going to be in a mix of security issues at all because we've read the guidelines very well and we know what electoral commission expects of our candidates. Dagino look be yore ngwa electoral commission ko community ye. And mio one obedo ka check positions ame dano ya nomination to what chung e kaka mi to motojo punasha. One pe obedo disorderly, peda obedo rowdy, peda obedo kede uncontrolled procession. We shall follow strictly ngwa electoral commission tiamet ni one time. Pion one obedo jam mi ochik, da obedo jadang logo chik. For you.
Electoral Commission recently nominating 8 presidential candidates. How possible is it for UPC to bring a candidate, most especially after Electoral Commission coming out with a new job?
Well, anena ko bini issue ni tin court. And case I'm in court, obedo may seeking redress from Constitutional Court, may ordering for nomination of Honorable Jimmy James Michael Akena. So it is upon the court may deciding whether or not that can happen. Because petty ginorame yotima me petty yichik. Kachi hokobuni uramochoyo Jimmy James Michael Akena. Nupo uramochoyo. By the way, Jimmy James Michael Akena Bore nino me lego me quero me poi pe papere ndwe par wia apar me dwe ma par yani akohoro ukobiwa ni enet kademie chabira rio en kademie chabira rio me campaign ado jono kan ni ogo campaign yo ko du judo tetie katihane chabira rio rome, and we believe in that because ideas are indicated nena antikere pe Uganda bedo nena chill bedo tama besho ame kako bakoba ngwa paper timo contributes almost 70% of his campaign. He needs to only do 30% because he's building on the legacy paper has already built. So we don't have any fear. Wanoko ngwa mekota kobo takigina korodo nyukere, we shall go by that.
Now, Chairman,
yes.
Party members over here, Unu tell me party, and it while of you, Unu new party, but you took your own time to confuse them. Now, again, they're taking their own directions respectively. Uneno tell a Bulumogo to begin to tell a Bulumogo members, youth full members, to begin to National Unity Platform. Uneno Jomoga Mobedo Telame Party have already announced their support for President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, including the vice chairman of the party for the region, for Lao Sub-region, was already announced. Now, don't you think your other pronouncement is coming to contradict all this?
Well, any other pronouncements Amoka too prior to the pronouncement that will come from the president, I can boldly say it is null and void. And it doesn't have any effect on party. You've talked about pronouncement about former vice chairperson of UPC, Pilau sub-region. That came from him as an individual. That was not the position of the party. Poya Bear in the par, Meduma Par, one very like a cohort. But the president Obino Uchimo Dano immediately, Ametia acting one Gomea Part district, Ametia acting as the regional vice chair. So Mwame Honorable Chris Mwam Utimo, New Kobo, Ukoba Chalo M, Ukoba Chalo UPC. Kada Otala Buluma Watia Kobo, Copa Chalegin independent, Nutia Koba Chalo Gin, at Chalo Party UPC. But my UPC near Bear name. Ginatia Temerni is political. It's purely political. And I win you, Jomago Penyugi, take over Ginatia Temerni is more of legal than political. But I can boldly say that it is more political than legal. Because Petigi Noro, Newton Corpora met genuine, and no gao, Choyo, Jimmy James Michael, Canabora, Nebero, Achung, the president of Uganda. So Ananena Kobuni, at the right time, the party will make pronouncement. The party, any individual, only the party will make pronouncement.
Now what's happening, right? Why is the party taking long?
Because the issue is in court. The issue is in court. We are waiting for the court ruling, and anytime the court ruling comes out, we shall reconvene and then give directive to the people.
Chairman, Tinini and party president Jimmy Akana. Kobe parliament ni police petia ye recommending and you me ye twero me bear local nyale me Uganda guni charro uchunga me tite party me UPC ka koda gang you me de bedatie ramu kelo luoro ichunyu chung me tite party.
In fact, kako da gang obedo tie bino medo gufa duong matek. Yen wando bino ngeyo. Ngoame nena jomorti kako na nena jomorti ye. Eto just like any other person. Petty a gang oro. Ame ora moketi kom Jimmy James Michael akana bore. Peme would campaigning the candidate Sarah Mama flag. Balango and weno team in the first place. Pero Ramoganga can ni pe word campaigning pe Yomera Mama flag. He and Kong Machel Danka Koba, he doesn't need any permission from police me word campaigning pe Yomera. Because he's not a criminal. Petit Ginora me okati come a chalo berngatimo balamo banning from Warrior Kinajon, you will lock a John, you Timoginora, I can report him Balla Chalkitu. So Petit Ginora me gaong at Toro. You mean at blocking a canna nip a word campaigning pijama. I know at the right time, Akana is going to come, he is going to move in all these constituencies. I'm at here, pay long can do shame, Joma UPC to mouth. By the way, you are Tuma of flag my UPC to a ping up a party actually, ye tesu ye lankan, Masindi, Oima, Kampala cannot do Jotuma of flag. Nah, I kit gum Jotuma. Many to war parliament in Uganda, Bell UPC. So Anangoni, it is a matter of time. Jimmy James Michael Obora Bino, the one thing Joko Beni and Kong Da Hoko Kampala, and this is not the right time for him to come here. It is not the right time for him to return. He is in Kampala, one organizing his homecoming in a special way. Out a gamme, and he will give us the direction.
So ngome yini nena chalo kina mero beda wahani yu chua me pata me yini ti chato gini ngwa beri kom ga me otadar me urgen.
Uchua do wana me flag chingi ubero jo ama oki diro ame pemeto. Your testing. You ame wana ngiyo gufu me wigi, utangi yu gufu me chingi, danu ni rwate kache kede wibi me kairni. Ami yika chala por ni yakina jo ametia chung me word parliament me Uganda. One me flag but jo ade clear district. Jonathan Odur is an economist by profession. Jonathan Odur is a lawyer by profession. And he is a practicing advocate, Jawane. America in performance at parliament. Ametia to me. anybody anywhere in this country ameng'eyo kita me parliament me Uganda running kede pe binu ye ka yini ko ne du pa da parliament na peti ginara gen du da parliament yen ko ma chel government teacher tie on the ground is here beru ngata supporting jo beru ngata chunkere u bol kuirere recently o duru mio bol kuiri Ruta County South tu gimepur kwere kariti uni yot un jo apar igamo nang kwera par udu chung kar che kede jo kape hotie everywhere nutia konyo jo mere nutia chung kede jo mere timu jame ducha memira ame parliament tini jo ame tikere pe hokede honorable Jonathan Odur bere jo ame pemyo ngama member of parliament mirti na kayini winyo ngagentia ko bukai penyo gine amane kode ko bua uno ngama mi uniti beru kede alternative view on this person jo ko bigina me per hata ka che kede gina mama parliament mirti. So man ni ana kobini Jonathan is the right candidate. Charles Opiyo Gira is an upcoming doctor. He's getting his PhD very soon. Bera ponya riek ame ponya Lira University. We hoping pitamani a wara yik tela where Ruta County North. Ame petting a rara doubting capacity Charles Opiyo Gira. Ame bera ponya adwong na Lira University no. Acho Florence Omina Dupa, ame wana mi flag me chungi mon Malira district. Florence obedo retired ed teacher. Monu obedo ed teacher me Lao College. Aponya rieka apony literature. Ame kado yindung go a situation ado wana chwalo Jonathan Parliament chwalo Florence chwalo Charles Opiyo Gira. Nuda do wana tiho Lao. Nu Lao do team up. Then marbedo jo ame were debating from an informed point of view. Pe obedo gamblers, pe obedo booping. Tijo ame yini chwale parliament kiti tawo nini cha pur doya ta chuo cha doya. So kore daro ni one program ye ni kore jo aberu kiti wo parliament. Bien timo ga me yiri nino a miro ngato beri ngere kero kora chonga me choyo. Bien nuni na me pera mo ko buna ginoro cha jo tia discussing important issues parliament nino. Kore jo ni one program ye ni gin wo parliament. Atamani malo ngaro